Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Alright, kaibigan, kung saan ka mang sulok sa mundo, kaibigan, I wish you well. Alright, alright, before natin simulan, be grateful, kaibigan. Ito yung mantra natin, kaibigan. Okay, so mantra natin is be grateful kasi ito yung sign of abundance, kaibigan. Alright, so yung topic natin ngayon, kaibigan, is gaano ka powerful tong words na thank you, kaibigan. Arigato. Okay, so itong thank you, kaibigan. Okay, so ginagamit natin itong thank you, hindi to foreign word natin. Ginagamit natin to mostly pag mayroong magbibigay sa atin or mayroong anything na mag-provide ng service sa atin or tulong. So ito yung ginagamit natin, thank you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so may ano tong thank you daw, kaibigan. Ito yung sabi ni sino yun? Si Honda, yung nagsulat ng Happy Money na hapon. Okay, so itong thank you daw or arigato sa hapon is napaka-powerful to na word, kaibigan. Okay, so when you start with thank you, even you don't have nothing daw, kaibigan, broken, nothing talaga, but when you start with thank you, kaibigan, that means you are you are already activating your abundance mindset. Okay, bakit? Kasi when you say thank you, meaning naka-receive ka ng something. Okay, so when you receive something, that means the universe give you something, and you respond that, kaibigan, with a grateful heart kasi nagsasabi ka ng thank you. Okay, so paggising daw natin, kaibigan, ang ginawa ni Honda, si Honda yung nagsulat sa Happy Money is yung arigato or thank you niya, kaibigan, nagsasabi siya ng thank you multiple times a day. Okay, multiple times a day. Anything na nagsasabi lang siya ng thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So inano to yung mayroon siyang actually mayroon siyang story dito na yung kaibigan ng tatay niya, kaibigan, kaibigan ng tatay niya nang hiram ng pera in that amount of money. Tapos sabi ng tatay niya, okay, pahiramin kita ng pera as long as you say 1,000 times thank you in a month. So yun yung ginawa ng tao na yun, panay sabi na niya, in-implement niya. So parang every minute, kaibigan, nagsasabi siya ng thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. After 1 month, bumalik yung tao, nagsabi, hindi na ako mangungutang sa'yo kasi nakuha ko na yung pera. Wow! So bakit daw? Kasi sa panay sabi niya ng thank you, thank you, thank you, for some reason, after hindi pa naubos yung isang buwan, kaibigan, almost every minute siya magsasabi siya ng thank you, every second magsasabi siya ng thank you. Nahanap na niya yung pera na kailangan niya. Wow! So basically, by saying thank you, kaibigan, we just activated our abundant self. Okay, so inactivate natin yung abundant self natin, grateful self natin, and the universe will see that, kaibigan, when you are grateful, when you feel abundance, you will attract that, kaibigan. So ganun kasi daw yan, what comes within comes without daw, kaibigan. So hindi mo daw ma-feel yung hindi ka daw magiging abundance person pag hindi mo i-feel na ikaw ay abundance person. Wow! Okay, balikan natin. Okay, if you want to become an abundance but yung feeling mo, kaibigan, hindi isang abundant person, feeling, sabihin mo, mamaya na ako mag-feel ng abundance person pag magiging abundant na ako. So baliktad na yun, kaibigan. Hindi ganun mag-work yung law. Okay, yung law is universe is within first, without. Okay, so you need to feel abundance first before you will become abundance na makikita mo sa buhay mo. So for example, yung feeling, magsasabi ka ng thank you itself. The thank you itself is, that means you are already grateful. Okay, grateful. It could be thank you for anything. Sa hangin, thank you sa hangin. Thank you sa umaga. Thank you for this beautiful weather. Thank you for this coffee. Thank you for pamasahe naman eh. Thank you for this person na na-meet mo. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the home, for the shelter. Thank you for the parents, for the loved ones. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for the work. Thank you for the rest day. Thank you for the flowers, kaibigan, na may mga flowers diyan. So thank you, ganun lang to ka-powerful. Thank you, kaibigan. So when you just say thank you, keep saying thank you sa everything surround mo, or every minute, or every at saka gagawin mo na to ng everyday. Couple is hindi lang to isang araw lang. Okay, so it's a series of events to kaibigan. It could be you could be doing this every day sa buhay mo kaibigan, you will start daw seeing na your reality is starting changing kaibigan. Because okay, so you already feel within, okay, when you are grateful within, when you are feel abundance within, so there is no way na hindi ka makaka-attract ng abundance, kasi abundant person ka na kaibigan. You are in that frequency, yun yung low kaibigan. Kung nasa FM station ka, mag-tune in ka sa FM station yung mapakinggan mo. Okay, so kung nasa AM station ka, tune in ka sa AM station yung mapakinggan mo. If you are in the abundant frequency daw kaibigan, nag-feel ka na you are a very abundant person by just saying thank you. Mayroon kang mata, kapag salita ka, mayroon kang tubig, mayroon kang kuryente, mayroon kang anything na small things kaibigan, mayroon kang buhay. Okay? Yung buhay pa lang mismo, grateful ka na. So yung universe dun kaibigan, when that person is grateful, you are ano daw yun kaibigan, nagtra-transmit ka ng abundance frequency. Okay, so because you are very grateful person, you just say thank you. So nagtra-transmit ka ng frequency na abundant frequency. So that means you could easily, ito yung sabi ni Joe Dispenza, if you just change your mind within. So okay, when you are grateful, slowly mo daw yan. Ito din yung sabi ni kaibigan na Wallace Waltz, yun yung nagsulat ng The Science of Getting Rich, na hindi mo daw yun mapansin na slowly ma-change yung reality mo kaibigan. Opportunities will come to you unexpectedly. Okay, mayroong mga events or may mga events sa buhay or para na mangyayari or ma-align para lang sa makumit yung gusto mo o sa goal mo na within that abundant frequency. So ganun daw ito ka-powerful kaibigan. There is a unlimited source daw kaibigan, na kailangan lang tayong mag-tap. Okay, so di ba? Kailangan lang tayong mag-tap. So kung isipin mo kaibigan, there are so much abundance in the world, but there are only few people daw na nakatap nito. Okay, so majority of the people hindi nakatap nitong abundance na ito. But kung titingnan natin, ba't may mga tao na nakatap sa abundance na ito? At itong abundance na ito kaibigan, unlimited to, anything flow to unlimited to kaibigan. So we just need to tap, we just transmit a frequency daw kaibigan, na abundance frequency, the grateful frequency, kasi hindi natin alam day by day kung gagawin natin yon, our life will slowly change, because it could be we could meet someone within that frequency, abundance frequency as well. So yung mga people na palagi mo nang makausap or palagi mo nang ma-meet up kaibigan is within your range of frequency na, kasi nga nagta-transmit ka ng ganun na frequency. So yung mga frequency na luma mong frequency na lack mindset or poor mindset or scarcity mindset, hindi mo na yun in-entertain. At saka kung may mga tao na gano'n na mindset din, kasi iba na yung frequency mo, hindi mo na rin masyado yung ma-attract. So yung ma-attract mo na frequency is during the abundant frequency na kaibigan. So wow, so simple word, thank you lang daw kaibigan, but it could change your reality. Wow kaibigan, wow, dito lang natin ito matutunan sa Kalsada University kaibigan, or minsan sa Parking University. Okay, we study school many years sa school tayo, since 6 years old, 7 years old until 20 or 21 years old. Nag-aral tayo kaibigan paano mag-ano sa buhay para makatrabaho, but very sad na there are very basic law of principle, law of nature, law of the universe na hindi natin masyadong natutukan. Okay, hindi natin masyadong natutukan, like this word thank you, this word na kahit itong alam natin itong thank you, tinuruan tayo nito sa mga teacher natin na magsasabi tayo ng thank you, sa parents natin thank you, but deep inside hindi natin nalalaman kung gaano pala to ka-powerful yung thank you, gaano tong frequency nitong thank you na word, kasi nga ito yung simula ng ito yung sign of abundance kaibigan. Ito yung sign When you say thank you, that means you are grateful. That means you are ready to receive more. Wow, kaibigan. Hopefully may natutunan tayo ngayon at hindi natin nasayang yung oras mo, kaibigan. I wish you well and close your eyes, open your arms, and let your legs, and this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world. Sa'yo na yan. Boom! Siya kala nagkala-kala. See you next time, babu.